Hey guys, if you're looking for a unique way to cleanly mount your 3.5-inch LCD screen from Holley, we got a couple different ways to do that. Here's one way. It's a little pocket here that just slides right inside. It snaps in place. It comes with a band clamp here to mount it to your steering column. So we're just going to set it right on top of our steering column, slide the band clamp around it, and tighten her up. It can be something that you could leave here for good, or you could temporarily mount it while you're calibrating the car, but it's just a little handy little way that you can be hands-free and you can see it while you're driving the car. We do have another unit just like this that does have a hood on it, so that if you have some sun rays coming in and it is obstructing your view, you can buy a setup that's got the hood on it. Or we have another setup, same thing, that has 2 1/16" gauge holes. So if you want to mount a couple 2 1/16" gauges next to your screen and leave it permanently mounted, we got a setup for you. Check us out at westbenddyno.com and get one for yourself.